Welcome to Solterra, an awesome West Side Lakewood community, 10 minutes from Red Rocks, quick shot downtown with miles of maintained trails, a community center, a great pool, tennis courts, and the home of our newest lock and leave townhome listing that you do not want to miss. Let's go take a look. Welcome to 15575 West Baker Avenue. Right upon walking in, you can feel how open and intentional this layout is. Clean lines, great light, and space that actually works for everyday living. From the living room, make your way over to a modern kitchen, updated with stainless appliances, an inviting kitchen island, which moves seamlessly into a nice private dining area, plus an additional back patio space. Here on the main level, the heart of the home, you have an open living space, really anchored by this fireplace and mantle and modern hearth, flowing really nicely into an outdoor front porch patio, so you can host, dine, and enjoy some outdoor space. Upstairs, you'll find all 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a 5-piece luxurious ensuite primary bath. If you would like to book a private tour of this amazing end unit townhome in Solterra, feel free to reach out. I'm Jason Soroy with Form at Compass Denver. We'd love to give you a look.